Alright, let's turn her on. We've got a temperature gauge and do Fahrenheit, Celsius. Set it up. Right now it's on read. Move it to set. Set your temperature. We've got a main vacuum pick. See it functions. That's where we can cycle. We've got also an auxiliary vacuum pick right here. Not too familiar with this. Looks like we've got some adjustments here. Fine measurement. And this here we've got our X, Y, and Z. We got this guy. Might be hard to tell, but that's turning it. We've got actual ground lead there. The lights work on them. Let's see. And right here we've got a feed. Up and down. Right here we got the gas, air, or blower. Turn up the speed on that. Let's see, I think you have to have air hooked up to it, which we don't currently. And this moves out of your way. And you'll see it's starting to heat up right now. So it's set to 609. It's heating up to 146. We'll check it in a little bit. And kind of hard to get to. Looks like we've got 3 ports here: monitor, placement station, and reflow station. That's where you would have your remote outlet. Not sure where that comes. I don't have a cord for that. We've got the gas air inlet, and just of course some fuses. So you can also remove the lights over there and move it right here. That's about as much as we know.